Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I think, Mr. Speaker, sir, my colleague today is called Junior, so I think he should understand also. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish also to, first and foremost, to thank the committee that I am one of the members. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also wish to thank all the honorable members because I can see that today this is our first budget that everybody wants to contribute about it. So I can see that our members are waking up to make sure that they are representing the people. Mr. Speaker, sir, I think the issue of this budget, this is the budget that has been allocated so many days for the members to make sure that they have represented their wards from 5 days to 10 days. And I also wish to thank the members because once we are going through around, every member have come out and represent the people. So I wish to congratulate them. Mr. Speaker, sir, this budget, I think the honorable members can remember that the first budget has been allocated 1.8 billion for revenue source collection, but we managed to reduce it to 1.2 million. Because of the issues that have been keeping on coming out, Mr. Speaker, we have been, as a county, they are just allocating that they are going to collect such amount of money, but they have never realized to collect the same amount. So we have said that this time around, we are going to stick and make sure that we are not going to work with a budget that is not unworkable, and that's why we have reduced to 1.2 million. So, Mr. Speaker, I wish also to congratulate the honorable member, Sholoi, for making sure that a lot have been said, but he also have been appointed to sit in that budget committee. So I think by the time, she have also contributed to the same. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, the issue of wage bill. Mr. Speaker, sir, you can see that the wage bill have been increasing once and time because of the uncollected amount of revenue that the county is anticipating to collect, but they have never realized the same. That's why the wage bill is going up every and when and then. Pending bills also, that's the issue. Because of uncollected money, we are not meeting the target. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is our first time that this county have allocated 150 million for roads, because we know that we came from the rate that had been rent last time. So there is an issue with the roads. So we have managed to allocate 150 million. Although I can also concur with the honorable member that the 2 million that we have contributed from our roads need to be revisited because of the lack of policies that are going to govern. But I wish to say that going forward, the ministry concerned for roads are going to make sure that the policies are there, because it is a good thing that we know that there's a problem with our roads. It is also that we have allocated 100 million for purchase of equipment for tractors in this county, because we know that without those tractors, that 50 million will not work. So I also congratulate the committee. Mr. Speaker, we have tried as a committee to make sure that we are going to work with our means, without saying that, to make sure that, Mr. Speaker, this budget is going to be workable, Mr. Speaker, sir. On the issue of women, I also concur that 10 million from 5 million is at least a substantial amount of money. And also bursary. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is our first time to raise bursary from 150 to 200 million, because we know that bursary make an impact in this county. So, Mr. Speaker, I support it, and I also urge the honorable members to support the same. Thank you.
Junior Mufikee now.